So let's understand how we can use the LEX tool. So we can open the default text editor of our OS. So I am just opening a text editor, and as I told earlier, the most important section in any LEX file is the double percentage section, or the line that begins with double percentage. So that is a LEX rule section. So in the LEX rule section, you should write the lexical analysis rules in the form of regular expressions for pattern matching and the corresponding actions. So suppose that take a case where we need to recognize a mathematical expression, typically addition of two integers. So let's write the corresponding regular expression rules and the C code actions. So if I am considering a addition operation involving two integers, the first condition is I need to recognize the integer first. So I am writing a character class or a number recognition, a regular expression. So this regular expression actually means I need to recognize an integer which is composed of numbers from 0 to 9 in any particular sequence, and here the plus stands for at least one occurrence of the elements of the character class. So here character class represents any integer in the range 0 to 9, its one or more occurrences. So the first operand of a two operand addition expression is covered, right? Now I am just grouping it in brackets. Now the second part of any two operand addition expression is the operator, right? So the operator here is plus, so I am giving plus within double quotes for exact match. Then the third component will be automatically the second operand or the second integer. So the second integer I can represent using again another regular expression which I use to match or represent the first operand.